Hey, I'm Brian with the Dailey Company, and we're here in Lansdale. We just wrapped up Debby's kitchen, and we're about to go check it out. Come on, let's go on in. Now, before we get into the new kitchen, I gotta know, what was the old kitchen like?
Oh, very dated, very 70s, dark. We tried to put lipstick on it, make it look presentable, but it was really time. When cabinets started falling apart at the bottom, it was time.
That's when it was time. All right, we're about to step in and check this thing out.
I'm so excited.
Let's see what we did here. So I think my favorite part of your kitchen, it doesn't have anything to do with everything we did. It has to do with the fact that we didn't have to knock any walls down. We didn't have to relocate the whole place. We just really dressed it up, but it seems like an entirely different spot. But I gotta know, what's your favorite part?
I have to say, when I saw this for the first time, my heart fluttered.
I gotta tell you, we just had a meeting the other day. We were talking about the happiest we've ever seen a client. When you hug the countertop,
Oh,
come on.
It's beautiful. It's like a work of art. And I would have to say, voila, my pantry. This is everything. Sliding doors are gone.
I love that we were able to do the timber. I know we were in between colors. We're talking about oak, we were talking about timber, but between this and then the brown from the countertop just coming together, I think you really nail your color selection.
I was, torn, and it was hard making the final decision. I was thinking of white oak, but just the word oak just didn't feel comfortable with me. So that is how I was drawn to this.
I love doing a kitchen. I love white kitchens. I so love getting to do something other than a white kitchen, and it's just so fun. And it's warm, but it still makes it look really, really big.
When I first was thinking about ideas for this kitchen, I said to Brian, I'm really not a lover of grout. Can we do whatever we're putting on the counters? Can we put it up the backsplash? I've seen it done in luxury homes, wasn't sure if that would be possible here. And when I was describing what I wanted done, he said, oh yes, you could do that. And I am thrilled to pieces.
Yeah, I love the look. It's clean.
It's sleek.
It's so easy to clean.
Easy to clean.
And even just with the under cabinet lighting. I know you had under cabinet lighting. It was the older style.
Right.
This new stuff is so bright and it just shows off the
Yes,
countertop. Like
there's no yellow tone to it. And it doesn't look industrial either. The hardware choices, I've always wanted black hardware, never got it, and now I have it, and it's great. I love it. I did want a larger range because we do a lot of entertaining with family, so we went with a 36-inch range. The microwave is bigger, and I think it all works out together.
Yeah, it's like a true industrial commercial range.
The test will
it's
be
the real deal.
Easter, when we have the crowd here for Easter. And the other favorite thing in my kitchen are the deep drawers on the island. I mean, I have so much room now and I can keep things organized. And then more deep drawers and the corner cabinet. Look at that.
Well, look at all that storage in there. We're so worried about our KitchenAid fitting. Look at that.
I can get to things and not have to climb inside the cabinet. It's crazy how much room I have. It's not crazy, it's wonderful.
The floor you went with too, just the little things to tie it in, but not only do you go kitchen, you span it all the way out into the laundry room. And I think it just makes your whole room look so much bigger. It's crazy how much bigger the downstairs
And
looks.
this floor is a dream to clean. Honest to goodness, it doesn't show any dirt. During the snowstorms, we didn't have any muck and stuff in here. Cleaning it is a dream. Living without a working kitchen is tough, but this company made it bearable. The weeks that it took, it was not ridiculous. I can't say enough about the Dailey Company. I highly recommend them. They created my dream kitchen, and it just feels like home.
Debbie, thank you so much for choosing us. We're so happy to work with you guys. We love how this kitchen came out.
Brian, I hope you remain a friend because that's what we consider you.
Oh.
And this has been, you made my dream come true. Thank you so much.
Thank you. If you're interested in having your dream come true with a kitchen like Debbie, click the link below.